What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, specifically, what we're going to be talking about in today's episode is on the XRP kind of bull flag that's forming here, descending fractal, whatever you want to call it. A lot of this is going to be repetitive from yesterday's video and the day before because we've had the weekend, obviously, so nothing has opened, but we'll talk about what we expect to see this week, and hopefully we can see some breakout, fingers crossed, come today or in the next coming days this week for not only XRP, but for actually a lot of the cryptos, at least to see some movement. We will be looking at Ethereum here, which apparently is retesting its top, and maybe we are in what could be a bull flag here. I mean, a bull trap here. Maybe we'll, if everything is going our way, we'll bounce off this support here and head back to the upside here. We'll also be looking at Bitcoin, which is clearly filling in the gap here. I do believe a decision is going to be very soon. It seems like maybe this goes into Thursday. Wow, Thursday the latest, but I think we'll see a break before then, actually, probably today or tomorrow at the latest here, because I don't think we're gonna pan out into this endpoint right here. I think we'll see movement either today or very soon. And then the S&P 500 really is where my focus is, because I'd like to see us continue the run to the upside here in the breach from this bull flag formation here and breaking to the upside here. And you can see this isn't the first bull flag that we're seeing on cryptos. We're actually starting to see lots of these happen right now. We're not really seeing, descending triangles or symmetrical triangles, any sort of resistances or sideways channels. It's really just bull flag formations here. A lot of this can be, thrown on a lot of different charts here. That was on, the S&P. Bitcoin has an ascending triangle, but Ethereum, you can see, has a beautiful bull flag formation as well. On the XRP chart also has a beautiful bull flag formation as well. So a lot of repetitiveness here, but we should hopefully get some sort of decision very soon. Now, with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, as of yesterday, we pretty much highlighted the fact that I am expecting to see some sort of breakout this week. This was in yesterday's video, where you can clearly see we have highlighted the beautiful bull flag formation here, filling in the gap. I'm actually going to tweak it again today, or just add another line, because it seems like I did find some sort of support here, and we are pretty much coming to a means to an end here, and a decision is going to have to be made, hopefully today. I don't know, but hopefully today, in regards to how this is going to trade around, because I don't think this is going to last long. I really don't think we are going to continue this descending fractal here. At some point, we are going to be breaking, and truly, I think it's going to happen much sooner than we had expected here, because if I draw some sort of uptrend, you can really see how this beautiful XRP kind of symmetrical triangle is forming here. So I am getting very excited. Now, moving forward, you can see on the current coin market cap, more consolidation is taking over, trending at $1.18 trillion. You can see here, most of the cryptos are sidelined, as it was the weekend. Friday was closure on, it was Good Friday. So a lot of people had off for their jobs, and that pretty much closed the market. So we didn't see much trading during the markets. And then for the entirety, we had then Saturday and Sunday was Easter, which is interesting. So lots of this consolidation is taking over, lots and lots and lots of consolidation. Most of the cryptocurrencies, for the most part, are flatlined and sidelined, so not seeing much movement. I don't think this is going to last, though. I think this week we are going to see some sort of significant increase in volume into this market here. Now, you can see we have highlighted a bull flag on XRP's 4-hour charts. Obviously, this is an aggressive trade nonetheless, but I do think we are going to get answers very soon. We have a beautiful flagpole. I mean, gorgeous flagpole. Beautiful actual flag itself here, filling in the gap here. And you can see as we've created these lower highs and lower lows here, we started to hit a bottom here and reversed from the lower lows to now higher lows. You can see each time we've fallen is higher than the last, but also getting sandwiched from the top. So as we've continued this, we're slowly filling in the gap. You can see volume has died off. We're getting constricted, and a decision is going to have to be made probably today. I really believe today we're going to see a decision. Now, we are trading on the 4-hour, which is extremely, extremely aggressive. So if you are to be making trades, consider that this is an aggressive position here. You want to get in and you want to get out on the 4-hour. If we look at the daily, we can get a better position overall to see how exactly things are trading. Not looking too bad. There might be more room to pump to the upside here on the daily charts. And when we jump to the weekly, you can see we did just clearly reject from the beautiful weekly moving averages here, And you can see we were rejected clearly right off of here. And there's a chance that this is what's causing us to dip. But, you know, we can very easily break inside of it. I actually am a strong believer that we could be breaking inside of it. I don't know yet where that point is. I mean, if we reference prior history, you can see we've retested it, fell, and then headed up for this sort of consolidation. I'll reference it again. So we headed up, consolidated back down. And you can see this is the first retest. The first retest on moving average caused us to correct to the downside here. If I put this over, you can see I don't necessarily know. I mean, the first retest was right here, and then we fell, and the first retest is right here, and then we fell. So there's a chance we could see consolidation again. But even if we do see consolidation, we are going to see a break to the upside much quicker after that. So I am pretty excited here. But regardless, this 4-hour descending fractal or bull flag, whatever you want to call it, is going to pop very soon. And obviously, we'll be doing those trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. You can even see on the charts here the beautiful constriction that's starting to take place. The 25-day moving average as well as the 7-day moving average are getting very close to each other. And we might actually see this crossover, which is a bullish sign, which could result in some sort of break. But even then, you can see kind of this sort of fractal that's forming here that's going to be breaking soon inside an uptrend here, which is also quite exciting if you ask me. So it's really a waiting game. It actually looks, sorry, this is on Bitcoin. I'm totally screwing myself over. But yeah, the same thing can be said on Bitcoin, because I believe Bitcoin is going to be seeing that break too, the constriction here. Jumping to XRP, I apologize again. Here we have a better looking chart. You can clearly see the downtrend here, but also the support inside this descending fractal. If we jump to the 4-hour, you can see it much clearer here. The beautiful descending fractal that's forming here, filling in the gap, getting constricted, the 7-day end, 25-day end, the 99-day moving average, all coming to one point. You can see they are all coming to one point to retest each other, to retest everything. And this is where we're getting sandwiched. So you can see the buildup in uncertainty right here, the sideways trading as the 99-day, 25-day, and 7-day moving average all constrict together. So it is very exciting. Movement breakout is upon us very soon. So it's really just a waiting game at this point. But definitely make sure to check out BidFi, which is linked down in the description, so you don't miss out on this run here. You'll be able to trade on BidFi very easily because they offer XRP, unlike most exchanges. I did not mean to do that. Let me just pull up BidFi super quickly for you guys. But literally, if you want to trade or leverage trade XRP on BidFi or on any exchange, BidFi is the one to do it. You click light contracts right here, it'll populate, and then you click XRP to USDT right here, and you'll be able to buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you can possibly think of, it's a mouthful, is offered on BidFi for XRP and a lot of the other major cryptos as well. They even offer a demo account, which gives you $100,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills completely free. You got nothing to lose here. So definitely make sure to check this out. Link is down in the description below. And after you sign up, or if you already have, click Welcome Rewards. And you'll be able to earn up to $2,888 completely free by doing a few of these free offers here, which is super cool. But it's a way to get a sign-up bonus. So I highly recommend you do this if you do sign up. So make sure to check that out. Now, moving forward from XRP and BidFi here, we are filling in the gap here on Ethereum. We did just recently have a beautiful bull flag breakout here. This is the bull flag we just broke through. And I believe, fingers crossed, we'll see how these markets pan out. But I do believe the S&P should hopefully head up. And if we do, that should hopefully coerce these other cryptos to move up too, because I really think we're going to continue this Ethereum movement. I don't think we're due yet to pull back down a moving average. It's very possible. It is very possible. And it is likely, so we can't rule it out because we are retesting this right here. But ideally, I think we are going to bounce off here. I believe we're hopefully going to bounce off here and head up higher. I don't think we're going to fall just yet, but hit or miss right now. We did get stopped out a couple days ago here, so if we can get back above it, then I'll buy back in, and we'll see where that brings us to. And then lastly, we're looking at Bitcoin's 4-hour ascending triangle. Clearly filling in the gap here as well. You can see the higher lows that are creating every time we fall to the downside. It's higher than the previous one. And we're also getting sandwiched between this top resistance here. So as we do that, the gap is slowly constricting itself, and a decision is going to have to be made right here. Will we be breaking up? Will we be breaking down? That's pretty much what we're waiting for. But the time has pretty much come for probably by Wednesday, the latest here. And the S&P 500 we've spoken about before, but you can see, I believe we're going to continue this beautiful bull flag formation here to the upside. I think it's going to take a couple more days we have before we start to see a drop. But even then, I believe we are now creating these higher low movements here. I do believe we've hit the bottom. You can see clear as day here. Bottom, bottom, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and I think it's going to continue to bring us higher. So I'm very excited that this is all coming together here. But with that being said, that is it for today's video. Definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.